In this video, I'll show you how to remove background music from your videos in Capcut using 3 different methods. First, open the Capcut app and click on New Project. Add the video from which you want to remove the background music and click Add. Now, I'll show you 3 easy methods to remove background music. The first method uses Capcut's Isolate Voice feature. Click on your video timeline, then swipe left to find more options and tap on Isolate Voice. You'll see a Keep Voice option that helps isolate your background music. After applying this, click the checkmark icon to confirm. Next, swipe again to find Reduce Noise. Turn on the Reduce Noise toggle and click the checkmark. This combination helps clean up your audio significantly. For the second method, click on your video timeline again and swipe to find the Volume option. Click on it and adjust the volume slider all the way down to 0. Click the checkmark icon to confirm. This will completely mute all audio from your video. And the third method involves extracting and deleting the audio track. Click on your video timeline and swipe to find Extract Audio. Tap on this to separate the audio from your video. Now you'll see the audio track separately. Simply tap on it and click Delete. And that's it. Your background music is now completely removed from your video.